Hello DLSU! Welcome to another module of the CSO Crash Course series. In this video, we will be diving into the heart of CSO from the Internals Division, the people who work behind the growth and development of its members to better serve the organizations under CSO. We are the Human Resource and Development Committee, or HRD.
So, who are we exactly? Well, the Human Resource and Development Committee, focuses on the growth and development of the officers by providing holistic and effective activities such as workshops, training programs, and team-building activities. We also improve the overall welfare and relationships among members through general assemblies and special interest activities. Moreover, we handle service requests about the services that the Council can provide to better serve the organizations.
The following are the roles and responsibilities of the Human Resources and Development Committee. First, we accommodate service requests from the accredited organizations. It is commonly used to assist organizations with certain processes, such as process workshops, consultations, and event evaluations, among others. Second, we maintain the quality of member performance and member experience through member-centric initiatives, workshops, leadership training, simulations, and residency activities. Third, we strengthen the internal relationship of the organization through special interest activities, both synchronous and asynchronous, such as general assemblies and game nights where all members can gather as one CSO. As a big organization, we have to work as one unit by collaborating with the 9 teams. Fourth, we ignite the passion for leadership and service of the members through engaging and interactive activities. We hope to create an environment where all student leaders can thrive, grow, and be their best selves. Fifth, we promote collaboration and efficient communication through organization-wide intervention programs to hone one's communication skills and confidence. And last but not the least, we create member retention initiatives executed through residency tasks, which are both recreational and functional to facilitate holistic growth. We want to push people out of their comfort zone and help them grow individually as student leaders.
Moving on, let's now talk about the involved documents of HRD. There are only 2 documents involved, the pre-activity documents and the post-activity documents. The pre-activity documents are prepared and submitted before the execution of the event. Moreover, the program flow, mechanics of any icebreaker game, and other necessary information needed depending on the activity that will be executed are included as well. Through this, it will ensure that the activities are well planned and organized to ensure the smooth flow of the project. The post-activity documents are submitted after the execution of the event to assess whether the plans made contributed to the success of the event. Things such as what went well and what went wrong will be identified. Through this, future events can be executed better based on the points of improvement.
Here are the overview of our most common processes. During the start of the academic year, the team spearheads associate recruitment during the annual recruitment week, which comprises 3 steps: registration, application, and interview. It enables the exit team to determine if an applicant's skills, expertise, and personality meet their qualifications. Next is application, which is done to develop a good understanding of an associate's qualifications, interests, and character traits that are relevant to the position being filled. Lastly is interview, where we select the best people to help in shaping the organization's effectiveness and performance. For instance, when associates choose to resign from CSO, the team is in charge of holding exit interviews to assess where the council may be lacking or where we can improve more to further benefit the rest of the associates as well.
Training and development. For the associates training and development, these activities are to give deeper understanding and knowledge about the processes in CSO and also to train them as the future leaders. First is process workshop, where we encourage the associates to become more aware of CSO's background, vision and mission, and as well as be more familiar with the accredited organizations we cater to. In this workshop also, we train the associates to become a project head of their own activity by knowing the process of the documents needed in it. Next is residency. This is to help familiarize the Council's associates with the processes and responsibilities of the organization. The committee organizes tasks that can help build their skills such as communication, analytical thinking, keenness to details, and many more.
In CSO, we develop and sustain associate standards by providing our members with member feedback, which we term associate grade at the end of every term. These grades are calculated based on the associate's overall performance during the term. This is done to track the progress of the associates in the council, their attendance in events, participation in residency, together with evaluations from their assigned officers. Moreover, the associate grade is a good way for the associates to know their strengths and weaknesses based on their work in the council as well.
As the Human Resource and Development Committee, we have the responsibility of handling the service request system, which serves the 48 organizations under CSO. As mentioned earlier, it serves as the bridge between CSO officers and officers of the CSO organizations. Organizations are to submit their requests through a Google form where this shall be processed by us within 3 to 5 days. A minimum lead time of 3 days must be followed in order to give us ample time to process your request. As of the moment, the services offered covers 4 divisions, namely internals, externals, secretaries, and finance. Some of the most commonly requested services include process workshops, different consultations, and event evaluations, all of which assist organizations in performing more efficiently and effectively.
Moving forward, let's now talk about activities under HRD. The team is in charge of planning general assemblies and game nights for the Human Resources and Development team and for the whole Council of Student Organizations. Through these activities, the relationship within the organization is strengthened throughout the whole academic year. Let's firstly talk about general assemblies. To give our members a chance to get familiar with each other and bond, we host general assemblies as a platform for them to bond together. Next, we have game nights. To improve the relationships between the members, we host game nights to create an avenue for fun and better communication. Lastly, we also want to acknowledge those who have achieved so much under the Council. Therefore, proper recognition is a must, not only to reward our members, but to help motivate them as well.
And that's behind the scenes with HRD. We hope you were able to fully learn and understand what keeps the passion to serve flowing in CSO. To know more about the Council of Student Organizations, make sure to watch the next videos of the CSO Crash Course and remember to lead with passion and serve with purpose because that is the heart of CSO. Till next time!